Hi, welcome to #homemade. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make restaurant style chicken tikka with a side of mint chutney and onion salad. Here is a list of the ingredients. First, for the chicken tikka marination, add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Adding mustard oil makes the chicken soft and gives you restaurant style flavor. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri mirch powder, some salt, and mix this first. Next, take 1 cup of thick yogurt and whisk it. Add this to the chili oil paste. Now add the remaining ingredients. 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi crushed, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 whole lemon juice. Mix this and check the taste for salt and spices. Take 750 grams of chicken. The chicken shouldn't be too thick and the pieces should be of medium size. Squeeze any remaining water out of the chicken and mix it well with the marinade. Leave it overnight. For the onion salad, cut 1 onion into thin slices. Add some salt, half a lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch powder and mix it. Next, for the mint chutney, add 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 3 chilies, half a cup of cilantro and 1 cup of mint leaves. Blend this together and the mint chutney is ready. Next, back to the chicken tikka recipe. Skewer the marinated chicken pieces and set them aside. Now take a cast iron pan and heat it on medium high. I prefer using a cast iron pan so that I can finish it up in the oven later. Wait until the pan is hot and then add the chicken. Cook for 8 minutes on one side and then flip them. Cook for 6 minutes on the other side. Check if the chicken is cooked, it should be almost done. Now set your oven on broil and once it's hot, brush some butter on the chicken. Grill it in the oven for 3 minutes. Take the pan out, flip the chicken, brush some more butter and cook for 2 more minutes. And the chicken tikka is done. Serve it hot with some mint chutney and onion salad. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel to get updates on more videos.